Do you want to learn how to quickly and easily update your WhatsApp app on your iPhone? In this video, I will show you the simple steps you need to follow in order to ensure that you always have the newest version of this popular messaging app. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Apple App Store and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. So now what you want to do next is pull down from the top just like this, and it will refresh this page and show you all the available updates for your apps. Scroll down and find WhatsApp. After that, tap on it. And then simply tap on the update button over here. And it will start downloading the latest update for the WhatsApp app. If you are having issues like the app crashing while taking calls or encountering any glitches or bugs with your WhatsApp app, then you have to completely uninstall the app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, exit the App Store and then open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down a bit and tap General. After that, tap where it says iPhone Storage. And then, just scroll down and tap on WhatsApp. So now what you want to do next is simply tap where it says Offload App. And then tap on Offload App one more time to confirm your action. And it will remove the WhatsApp app from your device. And then simply tap where it says Reinstall App to download and install a fresh new version of the app back on your phone. Once that's done, you can use your WhatsApp app without even having to log back in because this process does not remove your documents and data. Updating the WhatsApp app on your iPhone is a great way to ensure you are taking advantage of all the features and security updates available. With each new version, WhatsApp adds additional features that can help improve your user experience. Additionally, WhatsApp is constantly updating its security protocols to protect users from malicious activity and data breaches. By keeping your app up to date, you are ensuring that your conversations remain secure and private. Finally, updating the WhatsApp app on your iPhone will also give you access to any bug fixes or performance improvements that have been released since the last version. This helps ensure that your app runs smoothly and efficiently, so you can focus on communicating with friends and family instead of dealing with technical issues. All in all, it is important to keep your WhatsApp app updated for optimal performance and security. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.